Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the tool that shows addresses. On Windows, press Windows plus R, type CMD, then press Enter. For more details, open Settings Network and Internet. Make sure you pick the active adapter named Wi-Fi or wireless. This tells you which interface's IP you need. Once done, type ipconfig and press Enter, or go to Status View Network Properties in Settings. I'm showing both because one is quick and one gives labeled fields you can read easily. Now you'll read the results. In Command Prompt, find the adapter block labeled Wi-Fi. Under it, the line IP4 address shows your PC's local IP, usually in the form 192.168.x.x. The default gateway is the router IP you can reach for admin tasks. Make sure you're checking the active adapter, because virtual adapters or VPNs add extra addresses. If you need routing info, also note subnet mask and DNS entries to understand address scope and name resolution. Finish by verifying that the address works. Use ping followed by the gateway IP to confirm connectivity. Successful replies mean the IP is functional. If you prefer a GUI, Settings Network and Internet Status View Network Properties lists the same IP4 fields. If you see no IP or an IPA 169.254.x address, first disable VPNs and virtual adapters, then run ipconfig/release and ipconfig/renew as admin. That usually restores a valid DHCP.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.